Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to juke in college football 27. It's actually a really simple move to pull off and it can help you avoid defenders in open space. To perform a juke, all you need to do is flick the right analog stick either to the left or to the right depending on which direction you want your ball carrier to cut. The biggest thing to remember is your timing. Don't wait until the defender is already right in front of you. Instead, try making your juke about 2 to 3 steps before you reach them. That gives your player enough space to change direction and makes it much harder for the defender to make the tackle. In a lot of situations, I actually find the juke move more reliable than using a spin move, especially when you are facing just one defender in the open field. If you make the defender miss, you can even change another juke right after to pick up a few extra yards if there is enough space. The move works best when you are running into open field or trying to beat one or two defenders. If you are surrounded by multiple players, it's much harder to pull off successfully because another defender can clean up the tackle. So flick the right stick left or right, time it a couple of steps before contact and you'll have a much better chance of breaking free for extra yardage. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.